Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java programming, the complete placement course, let us go with the new topic in this video, and this is very important during interview times. As a fresher level, this question is very important. During interview time, they'll ask you, what is the difference between JVM, JRE and JDK? This is very important. Listen carefully. First, let us understand what is JVM. JVM stands for what? Java Virtual Machine. The next one is JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. So what is this Java Runtime Environment? Is JVM plus library set. To this JVM, if you add the library set, that comes under as Java Runtime Environment. The next one, JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So what is this Java Development Kit? JRE plus development tools. So what is this JRE? JVM plus library set is JRE, and JRE plus development tools comes under as what? JDK. So when we download and install JDK on our operating system, it comes with what? JRE. It comes with JRE plus development tools, and JRE comes with what? Internally JVM plus library set. Now let us understand the role of each JVM, JRE and JDK in detail now. First, let us start off with JVM. JVM stands for what? Java Virtual Machine. And what it is going to provide? Provides runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. I have elaborated in the last video, that is, whenever we write a Java program, like example, if you take something like x.java, and in this x.java, the programs whatever we write, we call it as source code. The extension what we give for Java source code file is .java. In this, let us suppose if you are creating a class X, with some code inside. Now, once we write this source code, we have to compile it. So once we compile, it's going to create a file for us. So depends on the number of classes present in source code, that many doc-class files will be created. So compilation is for translation purpose. So here we are having only one class X, so it's going to create a file x.class file. So this doc-class file, we call it as what? Bytecode. Then who is going to provide runtime environment for this bytecode? Who is going to execute this bytecode? The JVM. So JVM is going to execute our bytecode. So that's the role here. So what is the role of JVM? Provides runtime environment. It's going to provide runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. And what is the main task of JVM? It's going to loads the code, verifies the code, and executes the code, and provides runtime environment. These are the main tasks of JVM. Loads code, verifies code, executes code, and provides runtime environment. And this JVM is platform dependent. So for whichever the operating system we are installing, that is platform independent. So whatever the bytecode we are getting, that is platform independent. That means the bytecode can run on any JVM, but JVM whatever we are installing, it is platform dependent. Means whenever we are installing Java software, we need to choose the respective operating system. So same software cannot be installed on Linux or Mac or Windows operating system. So the JVM whatever we are installing, the Java software whatever we are installing, it is different for different operating systems. That's the meaning called as JVM is platform dependent. That is, for each software and hardware, we have different JVM configuration. Moving to the next one, JRE. So what is this JRE? Java Runtime Environment. It comes with JVM plus library set. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE is JVM plus set of libraries. So JRE is implementation of JVM, and JRE is required to run any Java code. Whenever you want to run any Java code, we require JRE. And JRE contains what? Set of libraries that JVM uses at runtime. So we are having libraries means the predefined code. So when we install Java, it comes with the predefined libraries. So by using that libraries only, your code will get executed. So as the days goes on, we will be learning what libraries are present in our Java. And this JRE is also platform dependent. Coming to the next one, JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. So what is this JDK? JRE plus development tools is our JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK is JRE plus development tools. And JDK is full featured software development kit. So whenever you want to develop a software using Java, we need to download and install JDK on our operating system. So in the next videos, I'll be showing how to download this JDK. So when you download JDK, it comes with the JRE plus even development tools also. So what is this development tool? It's mainly for compiling your program. So debugging tools, all those things it's going to provide here. So what development tools it's going to provide? The debugger, the compiler and Java documentation. Right? It comes with even Java doc. So in the next videos, I'll be even showing this how to compile Java program practically, how to see the Java documentation, all those things we are going to see in our videos. Right? So that's about in this video, very important. So very important interview question during your interviews. As a fresher level, they'll ask this question compulsory. What is the difference between JVM, JRE and JDK? You should be able to elaborate this in an easy way. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.